Hello YouTube. I'm sure many of you that will be watching this video will have also been watching quite closely the current economic problems we're experiencing in the world today, and I'm sure because of that many of you will have also planned some course of action to be able to protect both yourselves and other family members from the economic climate you foresee in the future. Now, I've made this video to ask you the question, what do you see coming over the horizon? And by that I mean, what type of economic climate do you foresee in the future? Now, I've given you a choice of three. The first is a hyperinflationary environment, the second is a deflationary environment, and the third is a state of stagflation. Now, I'll quickly attempt to explain the difference between the three to you. In a hyperinflationary environment, due to government creating excessive amounts of currency, the price of goods and services within an economy grow dramatically. And just as an example, you can be paying £10 for a loaf of bread in the morning, but in the evening of the same day you can be paying 10 times as much for the same loaf of bread. In a deflationary environment, due to the currency supply shrinking, the price of goods and services within an economy can actually decrease. So in a hyperinflation where the currency supply is growing, the price of goods and services rise to accommodate that extra money that's pumped into the system. And in a deflationary environment, as the currency supply decreases, the price of goods and services decrease also to mirror the decrease in the money supply. Now, the third state, the state of stagflation, is the tricky one. Now, stagflation combines two things. It combines a stagnant economy, an economy with no growth, an economy in which probably the level of unemployment will also be rising, with an inflationary environment. So a hyperinflationary environment. You've got the money supply growing, the cost of goods and services rising, but you've got a stagnant economy with no growth. So there's the three choices. Now, you may foresee a combination of two of these three choices, in which case obviously make a comment in the section below. Now, what I'm going to do is, when I load the video up, I'll put three comments at the top by myself, and in the first comment I'll put a hyperinflation, in the second comment I'll put a deflation, and in the third comment I'll put stagflation. What I'd like you to do is put a thumbs up for the one you foresee in the future, and then if you'd like to do so also place a comment somewhere else below. So thank you for taking part in this little bit of an experiment. I do have my idea how I see things panning out, but I'd like to know, what do you see coming over the horizon? So thank you for your time, and I'll be interested to hear what you have to say. Bye bye.